With home businesses booming during the COVID period and many people opting for self-employment, sites like eBay, Etsy and many more have been a lifeline for many people. Label makers make a great addition to any home business, and the cluttered market can be difficult to navigate. This simple and affordable option might be something to consider. This is the Fung Lam label printer, coming in at under £130, making it one of the cheaper ones on the market. So let's unbox this guy and see what you get. So in the box you get the printer itself, instruction manual, power adapter, power cord, USB cable and installation CD and USB drive. Now it is worth noting they say this only works with Windows, but that's not actually the case. It does work with Apple too. I'm using a MacBook currently, and showing this review on it, you can see that I'm actually being able to print labels from it. The drivers seem to work. However, there is no mobile connectivity here or Wi-Fi, so it has to be done by USB. But let's be honest, that's to be expected for the asking price. Machines like these are pretty much plug and play. The disc will provide all the drivers needed to get this up and running to its best out of the box. Plug it in using your USB cable and plug it into some power. On first glances, it's clearly not the most attractive looking piece of kit, nor the most premium looking either. However, it is very functional, and I think that's what makes it an affordable piece of kit. You get the bare basics with the added benefit of a quality output print. You feed the label paper through the back on the outside, label side up. Make sure you use the label guards on the back to ensure the paper will feed through carefully. With a printer width of 1.96 inches to 4.25, you have the adjustability to print most labels. I'm using 4x6 shipping labels, and these are the main choices for this machine. This is where it's worth getting good quality ones, as the machine will likely print better with them. So as mentioned, the drivers are supplied on the provided disc. I'm using Mac, so find the corresponding driver files and open it up. Just follow the installation guide, and within less than a minute, your drivers should be uploaded. Just go into your printers and check it's there and all installed. Before we print, let's load up the label paper. Ensure your lock mechanism is in the unlock position by pushing up, pushing your label paper until you can't push anymore, and then clamping using the guides. Now push up on those clamps to unlock the top hood. This way you'll be able to manually pull through the label paper, pull it through until you get to about the next label lined up with the roller. Push the hood down and turn it on. I'm using an eBay shipping label here. Obviously I've blanked out the address. Change the paper size to 4x6. You could play around with the size to maximize it to get it right on the edge of the label, but I just kept it the way it was. Then just hit print. What's great about this printer is it's super fast. You get your prints in less than 3 seconds of hitting the print button. It truly does save so much time having to queue for labels at the post offices. With thermal technology, you haven't got to worry about printing cartridges. It's a one-time small investment for an extremely easy to use piece of kit. It's pretty much plug and play. Be it for business or home use, I really can't see how something so small couldn't weave its way into your life. The prints come out very nice and bold with all the information clear as day for delivery services. If you're looking for something like this, then I really couldn't recommend enough. I'll link the product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.